How to make a payment to Aqua credit card. If you want to make a payment to Aqua credit card, it's actually quite very simple. For this, first of all, there are many ways. You can make a payment using a credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other payment methods. If you have a direct debit setup, Aqua will automatically collect the minimum payment and any recommended extra payment, and you can change your direct debit details through the mobile app or online account manager. Now you can also visit Aqua online account manager to make the payment. Last but not the least, you can actually use the Aqua mobile app itself to make a payment. So you want to make sure to log into the Aqua card application, and after that you should be able to fill out the payment section and then be able to make a payment to Aqua credit card. This way you will be able to make a payment to Aqua credit card. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.